Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Fallout 4. Whenever you're trying to play the game or launch the game just crashes on the startup, especially in PS5 and also in Windows PC. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, let me show you one thing very clear, that the issue is already at their end and the issue will be resolved soon. Until the manufacturer fixes this issue, in the meantime, what you can do is to open up your Steam, choose the option library. In the library menu, right click on the game. From here you will find the option of manage. Click on it and you will find the option of uninstall. Go ahead and make sure you completely uninstall the Fallout 4 game from your PC. Once it is uninstalled, go ahead and reinstall it, and while installing, make sure head over to the properties and then click on the DLC menu. In DLC menu, whatever DLC you have installed or paid for them, make sure you do not install Wastelander DLC as well as Automaton DLC. After you have both the DLC unchecked, Wastelander as well as Automation, install the game without these DLCs and your issue of Fallout 4 crashing on startup with Windows or PS5 will be completely fixed out. However, if it is still there, you need to uninstall this particular game with the name Skyrim. Make sure you uninstall this game and this will completely fix out the issue until the manufacturer of the game fix out these DLC issues for you. As of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.